Hi everyone, I'm Jessica and welcome to my kitchen. I am so excited to be with you for week 2 of Afro-Vegan Society's holiday menu series. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make our comforting holiday menu, which features flavorful and familiar dishes you'll love, made vegan. In this video, I'm going to show you how to prepare a vegan roast made 2 ways, some delicious mashed potatoes, a creamy gravy, a fresh green bean sauté, sparkling ginger lemonade, and a delicious pumpkin spice cake with a cream cheese frosting for dessert. If you're seeing this video for the first time on YouTube and you still haven't registered for our free holiday menu series, what are you waiting for? When you sign up for free, you will receive weekly emails from Afro-Vegan Society featuring the link for our weekly recipe videos, links to all of the recipes featured in each video, as well as an exclusive grocery list so you know exactly what to buy to make these menus in your kitchen. Plus, when you register, you'll automatically get access to a free copy of our holiday guide. So, I hope you register today if you haven't already, but without further ado, let's get right into these recipes. First, let me show you how to make a delicious vegan roast made 2 ways with jackfruit and tofu. Now I'm going to show you how to make a deliciously creamy, savory mushroom gravy. Next, let's get into this deliciously dairy-free recipe for cheesy garlic mashed potatoes. It's time to round this menu out with our delicious green bean saute. Now for a delicious and refreshing drink, I'm going to show you how to make our sparkling ginger lemonade. Now it's time to close this menu out with something sweet. So I'm going to show you how to make my pumpkin spice cake with a cream cheese glaze. So there you have it, a deliciously flavorful, comforting menu that you and your loved ones are sure to enjoy this holiday season. Check the description or the comments to get access to all of the written recipes featured in this video, and we will see you next week in the third installment of the holiday menu series.
At Afro-Vegan Society, community matters. And this giving season, we're sharing stories of community because we believe that together we thrive. We're creating a future where everyone can thrive through accessible plant-based eating and vegan living. From free cooking demos and school programs to online resources reaching thousands worldwide. This Giving Tuesday and giving season, your support helps keep these vital programs free and growing. Join us because together we thrive. Donate at afrovegansociety.org.